I'm ready. Come on! You know the chronicles, the shit that if mama knew, the stress, the drama do, the text phenomenal. Rapid fire, flex through the abdominal. You bastard liars, me who's the audible. Bathed and closed up, shaved and close cut. Restraint from temptation was drained from both nuts. Now in the physical form, verbalized through the scriptures, I was biblically born as Aya, Jeremiah, received through the blunt fire. On Kawasaki's can willy up on one tire. Well respected, gel connected, got the method for the witty females, perfected for sure. Very few floors, every Chevy 2 doors. Candy painted to give a nigga the blue balls. Balls, this the life I chose, the 360, the cipher's closed. Come on, come on.
The format is real sickness, contagious.
Here I come, Daisy. There you go.
Young and gifted, my tongue's prolific. And the beach bungalow is how I brung in Christmas. For the streets, I'm a flow from the hungriest district. Switch kicks, first when I come to the picnics. Play slow, paper chase stack and lay low. Range roll, painted all black, the same old. Psychic mind, bites his rhymes. From turn to new leaf for my life of crime. No concerns with new beef. Who's as nice as I'm? It's confirmed from few feet. I'm a sniper blind. Built my fame, spilled my pain. Politic and daily still trying to milk the game. It's obvious that I'm real rap skills, but man, I took some change and I'm still the same.
The format is real sickness, contagious.
Here I come, Daisy. There you go.
Still, I don't have to run no game, I've done those things.
Learned the system, grown some ism. Jotted my Jews down like journalism. How I move now, it emerged in wisdom. A pilgrim, prophesize, putting words to rhythm, relating. I Adam Clayton in manifestation, patient. Meditating with the man who's waiting, patient. Like an inmate that sealed his fate. Let some years escape, but I'm still in shape. I'm chilling, deeply rooted. A beast with